Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical table saws, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from table saws, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best table saws from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 10-inch 15-amp motor table saw with rolling or collapsible stand. Looking for a powerful and reliable table saw? The DeWalt 10-inch 15-amp motor table saw with a rolling or collapsible stand is built for precision and durability. Featuring a rack and pinion telescoping fence system, it allows for fast, smooth, and accurate fence adjustments. With a 32 to 1x2 inch rip capacity, this saw easily handles larger shelving and trim materials, while the Flipover's ripping fence enables narrow cuts with ease. The 15 pack motor delivers impressive cutting power, ripping through hardwoods effortlessly. Plus, the onboard storage system keeps essential tools like the blade guard, fence, riving knife, miter gauge, wrenches, and push stick organized and within reach. Designed for portability, the rolling stand ensures easy setup and stability. A 2 to 1x2 inch dust collection port allows for efficient dust extraction, keeping your workspace clean. Whether you're a professional woodworker or DIY enthusiast, this DeWalt table saw is a game changer. Number 2. Skil 15-amp 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw with folding stand. Upgrade your woodworking setup with the Skil 15-amp 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw with folding stand. Designed for precision and convenience, this powerful corded electric saw features rack and pinion fence rails, ensuring smooth, fast, and accurate adjustments while keeping the fence parallel to the blade. The integrated folding stand allows for easy setup, portability, and hassle-free storage. With a 4x4 cutting capacity at 90 degrees and a 2 to 47 degree bevel capacity with positive stops at 0 and 45 degree, this table saw handles a variety of cutting tasks effortlessly. The parallel blade alignment allows micro adjustments for enhanced accuracy, while the 15 AUM motor rips through hardwoods with ease. Plus, the dust port elbow keeps your workspace clean by redirecting dust into a container. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, this Skil table saw delivers power, precision, and portability in one package. Number 3. Bosch 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw with gravity rise wheeled stand. Take your woodworking projects to the next level with the Bosch 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw with gravity rise wheeled stand. This powerful 15 AIMP table saw runs at 3,800 RPM, making rip cuts and cross cuts through fine and hardwood materials a breeze. The rack and pinion rip fence ensures precision with color-coded adjustments, while the Smart Guard system enhances safety with a riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, and a clear barrier for visibility. The soft start circuitry reduces motor intensity at startup to prevent tripping breakers, and electronically regulated speed maintains performance under load. The Gravity Rise wheeled stand allows for effortless mobility and single-action setup, making it perfect for job sites or home workshops. Additional features like the convenience brake, clamp zones for extra workspace, and on-tool storage for accessories add to its efficiency. Whether you're a pro or DIYer, this Bosch table saw delivers power, precision, and portability. Number 4. Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw 15-amp power saw. Get precision, power, and versatility with the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. This 15-amp power saw delivers 5,000 RPM of cutting speed, making it perfect for tough woodworking projects. Its lightweight design ensures easy portability, while the large table and vise clamping system provides stability for accurate cuts. The 0 to 52 degree miter angle range left and right and 0 to 45 DG bevel range left offer exceptional flexibility for a variety of cutting applications. Designed with thumb-actuated positive stops, adjusting angles has never been easier. This Japanese-engineered saw is built for durability and comes with a 5-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIYers. Whether you're cutting trim, molding, or framing lumber, the Metabo HPT miter saw is your go-to tool for smooth, precise results. Upgrade your workshop with this high-performance power saw today. Number 5. Upstreman Work M1 Pro 13 amp Compact Portable Table Saw. Looking for a budget-friendly yet powerful table saw? The Upstreman Work M1 Pro 13 amp Compact Portable Table Saw is the perfect choice. Featuring a 13 amp motor and a 24T stainless steel blade, this compact and lightweight 36 thou delivers 5,700 RPM for smooth, precise cuts on wood, plywood, OSB sheets, PVC tubes, and even thin aluminum plate. With adjustable height and blade angle, you can achieve 90-degree crosscuts and 0 to 45-degree bevel cuts, handling materials up to 2.25 inches thick at 90-degree and 1.6 inches at 45-degree. Designed for workshops and outdoor projects, this saw is easy to transport with a built-in carry handle. Safety is a priority, featuring a blade guard, rip fence, miter gauge, push stick, and onboard storage. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, this portable table saw is your go-to cutting companion. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.